Welcome back. Well, a beauty out there today. Very typical winter weather here. We are in meteorological winter after all. Morning start at 35 degrees in Lafayette. That was set shortly after 7 a.m. Got to remember, coldest temperatures usually within about a half hour of sunrise, after sunrise, as the atmosphere is still cooling before that sun can start warming things up. Then 63 the afternoon high today. Similar numbers tonight. Maybe not quite so chilly in Lafayette, but outlying areas mid-30s more than likely. So let's take a look at the big picture here as we take a look at the water vapor imagery. We're already bird dogging our next weather maker. That's going to be getting here, we think, sometime Saturday. Question is, this one's going to be dipping down, getting away from the polar jet stream, and it's just going to meander slowly across the country. So we're thinking Saturday right now is going to be our next best chance of rain. Till then, looks like a pretty cool and dry pattern. There's a little bit of a weak surface low north of Vancouver. Big whopper of low pressure system out here in the Gulf of Alaska. You have winter storm warnings. When you have winter storm warnings in Alaska, that's a serious snow. And then farther south and east, in advance of the next weather system, there's a winter storm watch for portions of New Mexico. That's for Wednesday. But we don't see the precipitation reaching us until about Saturday. So again, a slow mover. Tough to time this one. High pressure in charge, though. It's been allowing for breezy conditions. That high right close by, so the winds have died down. And notice they're out of the northeast, and they'll gradually turn easterly tonight as high pressure shuttles off to the east. It's going to be chilly, though. Temperatures mid to upper 30s overnight tonight. Those dew points close to the temperature, so thus we do think we could see some frost, especially in outlying areas to the north, where temperatures will be closer to the low to mid 30s. So protect the tender vegetation and make sure the pets have a warm place to stay. Nice cool day tomorrow. Temperatures topping out in the low to mid 60s. Some clouds across the area, but not much. As we head into Wednesday, we'll see more clouds. Temperatures upper 30s to lower 40s as we head into your Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon, mid 60s with a mixture of high clouds and sun. Now it's going to get breezier. Notice the lines of equal pressure here that kind of pack kind of closely, and that's going to develop as we head into Thursday and Friday, feeding into that weather system that's going to be developing to the west. So here we are Thursday morning at 7 a.m. Let's flip it on over to the Euro model, and going into Friday, we do see some showers, maybe some thunderstorms. It looks like what we would call an inverted trough. There's going to be an upper level low here generating this, and then as it moves eastward, it's going to be interesting to see how it fleshes out. Weak low pressure could develop in the northwest Gulf of Mexico, throw a shield of rain, maybe a little embedded thunder. Not concerned with flooding nor severe weather with this one. And then that impulse moves eastward, may throw a little bit of a forward pass to an area of low pressure developing in the southeastern Gulf that's going to make it awfully inclement for Florida as we go deeper into the weekend. By Sunday, we should be drier, so best rain chances sometime Saturday. Too early to tell if it's going to be morning, midday, or evening hours, but Sunday is looking better and drier, so we'll take 1 out of 2, just kind of like what we had to do last weekend. Tonight, though, it's going to be a cold one. Temperatures low to mid-30s. This is where you're going to see your best chance of frost. Opelousas to Kinder on northward. Alexandria, Bunkie, you might hit the freezing mark. Farther to the south, mid to upper 30s, and you can generate frost. Remember, we are giving you temperatures at 6 feet. That's how we measure it. That's how it's estimated. But when you get down close to the ground, you could generate colder temperatures, get closer to the dew point, thus the dew forms. Thus, if it's cold enough, it turns into frost. So take care of the tender vegetation. And Lafayette will go about 38, 39, and the coastal parishes in the mid to upper 30s. Then tomorrow, nice warm up, mid 60s, pretty much across the board. We'll go 65 in Lafayette and 63 to 65 for just about everyone across the entire area. So overnight tonight, we'll get down to about 38, 39, the low in Lafayette. Fair skies with that patchy frost possible, mainly rural locations and especially the northern Acadiana parishes. Then for tomorrow, another nice one, another winner of a day. Mostly sunny skies, maybe a few high-level cirrus clouds, but overall a nice day. Easterly winds at about 5 to 10. Those easterly winds pick up a little bit more so on Wednesday and get breezier going into Thursday, Friday, and the weekend for that matter. But notice a dry week ahead. Rain chances Saturday, improves for Sunday, and then it looks like another relatively dry week with temperatures moderating as we get closer to, yes, Christmas is almost on the 10-day forecast. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.